Sweet potatoes, take one. Here we go.
Ready? This is so good.
What? No way, man. Green beans are better.
Let's try the skin.
Okay.
Oh, open your mouth.
No. I'm just not real certain about this.
Alright, let's try again. Whoa.
Well, maybe it's not that bad.
You have to wait till I get it in your mouth before you close it.
Well, go faster, Mom.
Did you catch that? Are you gagging because they're that gross? You want it?
You need the sweet potatoes with the marshmallows on, bud.
But these are actually pretty sweet. I tried them.
You did?
You try it. Yeah, they're good. Here.
Sick.
Nope. Mmm. You're a mess. Steve, is not so bad, right?